All right, well that took me like 10 minutes to get back into class. I'm so sorry, guys. I do not know what in the world is going on with the OLS this morning with Blackboard, but it's struggling. All right, so we have length is 8 inches. We have width is 4 inches. And we have the height as 3 inches. Okay? So y'all tell me that we are doing length times width times height. And that did not work. All right, length times width times height, which means it's equal to 8 times 4 times 3. And in the chat box, before I got kicked out, I saw several people who gave me that answer and told me that 8 times 4 was what? Yes, thank you, Chloe. 8 times 4 is 32. And then 32 times 3, which is 96. And you're exactly right. But 96 is not our answer. What do we need to do? Okay, that's better. 96 inches, what? We can't leave it at 96 inches. When we're talking about volume, what do we do? 96 inches. Not quite, not squared. Squared is for area, length times width, but we're multiplying 3 things now. So it's going to be cubed, okay? When you're multiplying 3 things, length, width, and height, you end up with it cubed. So you're going to have 3 things multiplied. Put that 3 up there. Good deal. All right. Let's see if we can get at least one more done before we go. Okay, so we want to label each of the dimensions and then find the volume of the moving box. So use a pointer tool and show me, just point to where we are going to put the length. Come on, more than one person can be showing me the length of the box. Chloe thinks it's right there. I see where she's showing. Okay, I see all different things right now. Let's remember that when we are talking about the length, we want to know how long the box is. So the length goes this way, okay? The length is right down here, okay? When we're talking about the width, we're looking back this way, okay? And then several of y'all were pointing to the height, okay? Height is how tall something is. So if you're starting at the bottom and you're going up, that is the height. Just like if you were measuring your height, you would start at your feet and measure to the top of your head. There you go, yeah. So make sure that when you look at height, you are talking about how tall something is. All right, so we want to measure this. We've got length times width times height, so we've got 11. You know what? That happens, Chloe. It happens to all of us, especially on Mondays. I don't know why. 11 times 7, length times width times height, which is 12. It's going to be equal to our volume, okay? So we want to go ahead and multiply that. 11 times 7 is what? Yes, most of you know your 11s, and so you know that 11 times 7 is 77, and you're exactly right, okay? All right, so we know that this is 77, but now we've got 77 times 12. That's a little bit more tough. So just let's remember real quick that we can always box it out, okay? And we can do 77, which we know is 70